Hi friends, now I will give you presentation of in-horse racing website. Firstly we discuss calendar tab. Because of COVID-19 in India there has been no racing event after the month of March. So for discuss we take 5th March 2020 Mumbai race day. After that race day open we have many options to discuss. We will take one by one. Firstly we take odds section. In that we have every horse odd with 5-minute fluctuations as you see. Then jockey diary for that day. Here trainer diary for that day. After that main part of horse racing website is form guide. In that we have all information of every horse like past performance, videos, old track work, mock races and many more. In past race we have race number, draw, class, odd, current rating, shoes, equipment wearing, trainer, penetrometer reading, body weight of the horse, race information, incident and video icon here for video. These are the shortcut keys to jump to see other horse form guide like that. More tabs like handicap, acceptance and race card are there, but we jump to result tab. In this, winner name and age, weight carried by jockey, body weight of the horse, jockey name and stats, trainer name and stats, written commentary of the horse, closing odds are also there and the position of all the horses. In the result section, by clicking the video icon, you can also see the videos from here. Race conditions of the day like good going, penetrometer reading of race day, distance of the race and race information. Now I will show you the headline tab in which all latest news of Indian horse racing is present. Here is profile tab. We have 3 profile options: horse profile, jockey profile and trainer profile. We choose horse profile and find a desirable horse like Warhammer, as we know winner of Indian Derby. Now we can see horse Warhammer all last runs and relative data of that race. Sibling informations, winning distances, etc. As we also choose any jockey profile and trainee profile. Now we tune to track work tab. Currently we know Pune Club track work is on the floor. We choose 10th August track work in which we see our expert support, Intense Stylish and Iron Age, both horses are tracking well. Next is mock race tab. Similarly we can choose Feb month and take 7th Feb Bangalore mock race in which we have video and position of the horses from mock race result and verdict. Next tab is manage tip. This belongs to user in that every user can place his tips. Our website shows user tips in the form of public poll in the front page of the website. Here. User tip is also relative to the scorecard. Every user winning tip will get points to the user on the basis of that the maximum point gainer will be finally awarded with prize. Every day scorecard is updated and is available for every user in his own login. This is the special part of the website. Now back to the front page of the website. Live odds will be showing in this dark blue belt. Next is the news or headline box of Indian horse racing. After that we have live result area, and this area of web page belongs to public poll. As I had told earlier from Manage Tip, we create a public poll of that racing which helps the user to find right horse. This will get maximum public choice of a particular race. This is the main event box in which we discuss big events of the Indian horse racing. We give our special comments here for that event. Next, Super 6 is a game which will be coming soon for every user. Shortcut of Form Guide is here. Next is Video Hub, which shows big event in India and international horse racing replays. Cup News, in which we place past and post race views of our expert, as an example for this Mumbai race. You can see that is the post race views, and these are the past race views. Now I will show you the sign up. By filling a small registration form, you can become our member. This sign up will give you necessary and relevant message to your mobile. So friends, we are waiting for your response, and our appreciation is your sign up. Thanks and have a good day.